Hey, and welcome to Alpha One. So, in this episode of the live trading of binary option, we will continue trading, of course. And if for some reason you see this as a recording, probably you're not subscribed to my channel, you're not a part of this Discord group I have, or you have just forgot to turn on the bell notification in YouTube. So make sure you take care of these things. Also, make sure you sign up with the broker that you see up there. You find a link below the video, or if you are here in the live session, you find it pinned in the chat. Okay. As always, I will now start to prepare everything. I will get everything set up everywhere, and just bear with me while I do so. Okay. So let's do that. Let's see. First, I will make sure so I can follow the chat, so I'm able to answer question and keep a conversation going. That is key. Now let's see. There. There we have that part in order. Cool. Then I will set up the Discord. Let's see. We always live in Discord. People in Discord can enjoy zero lag, so it's a good thing we have going on. We are live, if I'm correct, live trading binary options. There. Start that one. Let's share the screen. Let me see, we share this one. And go live. Cool. Then we have that part done. Okay. Now let's see. For me, it looks like we have everything in order. Then I will start to log in for the broker. Yeah. Cool. Amazing. Then I will give it a second to see if I get someone live before we start trading. Okay. I think I'll just start trading. Let's see here now. Let's first find some pairs. can be interesting to trade. Let's keep it to the ones that pay us the most. Let's see. We see nothing here. Here we have one. This one we have already. We take this one. That one. Let's see if we can find some cryptocurrencies also. Ethereum Classic. Do you know what? We can take one normal Ethereum Classic and we can take one with OTC. Let's see the difference. Okay, see. Then I think we have things in order. Then we can get started to do some trading here. Right out of the bat, I see a trade here. I will take a sell there. We have a good entry. I will mark it. We are going in for the spikes we see here. Let's see how that will play out. Let's bring up the trade. Check Ethereum Classic while we are running also. There we have a big move up with the OTC. We have 18 seconds left. Let's continue looking for other things. We will go in the last seconds and see how we are doing. We are deep in the money and oh, I was deep in the money but we lost the last second. Wow, we were all the way down there and he shoot up in the last second. Okay, let's take the calculator. First trade is a loss. There. Okay. Now we are not trading this more. After this loss, no interest. Let's see. Up in this region here might be interesting. And every time we are trading, we get some cash back here, by the way. A little far away right now, so let's see if we find something else. Okay. The support here can look interesting. I might take it. Let's see. If we get a little more down, don't have time to make a line. Let's see if we can get down a little more. I'll go in. Let's see. Let's see. No. Don't looks like. Still looking. Dollar and this yen. That is the worst pair if you're talking about forex. I have lost a lot of money with this pair through the years. Of course, to these days I'm making money on it, but I lost so much in the past. It's one of the biggest loss I had in forex in my life was actually for this pair. I got really emotional with the forex. I did go in and go in and go in many times, and basically I did blow the account with this pair. So if you're a beginner and you are going to trade forex, well, probably if someone could have told me that, stay away from this pair. It's the most difficult pair to trade when it comes to forex, in my view at least. Other people can have their own view, but for me, this is the most difficult pair to trade. Maybe I say that just because it's the one pair I lost the most money on, but yeah, it is not easy. Now we are looking for a buy trade on the green line. Let's see. We are feeling some resistance here, so that means it's a if you break this, then you're out of luck, because I'm not going to trade this support after. I'm more interested in the support you have done here. So let's see now if we can shoot down there, depending once again. Do you know what I was talking about, how ways we can get things a little better? Let's start to take a look at that to see when the support is good or not. Let's see if we can add one indicator, not to trade after, but to check. Let's take a look. I not used indicator for a very long time, so I don't even know where to put the indicators more. What can be indicators on this thing? This? Is this thing? Yeah. Let's try stochastic. Stochastic RSI. Yes, let's keep to that one. What we basically are looking, we're not looking for cross or nothing, we're looking for when he's high, okay? So when we are then in a resistant area, we can then say we are good, and below here we can say we are good when it comes to support. I think that's a good thing. Let's do that. So not to make any confusion, we are still doing support resistance, but we are adding this one. We're not looking for any cross or nothing. We are just looking for if we are below this area. That means here, for example, we could easily have taken a trade. Like up here now, 30 seconds. Sometimes when I come in, the moves are done, a little annoying. Okay. Now looks like we're moving away. Let's go back here. me it seems like this support is strong now, so let's take a buy there. I would never have taken this trade if it was not for stochastic. Let's see how this will play out. While I wait for them, but I'll make myself some water. One more loss. Start to be unmuting this. Now start to be follow me live and lose money. It's 200. I raised my bid to 200. Let's see if we can continue, make things better. Okay. Let's see if we go up there again. Waiting to see what will happen here. Now let's see. We are in there. Now this is the third trade of the day. Yeah, not done so good till now. Now it's about time we can get some wins also. And yes, that would be one. Cool. Let's change back to 100. Let's put in 156. Reason for the trade, and we can see that we had a support up here. Was high with the stochastic. Stochastic we do now is something I added to try to see if we can get a little higher win rate, because this week have been a little slow. So I'm trying to get some extra advantage to the market. Like we set up here now, we see in the middle of stochastic. That can show us that we can get enough momentum to break this resistance up here. That's why we're staying away from that one. See, up here for example, we are not trading up there because we see that we still have momentum to go on, and you see what he's doing also. So this can help us a little to take better trades. I see that now. And this one here, we see the past was a good one. See if we can get up there again. I'll take it. Let's wait. I know I'm not so good to put the lines now because I don't have time. But if you see me, if you follow me in Discord, you have a higher probability to get in these trades. I'm looking for a trade in the top here now, I know if I start to move my mouse over to get it, I might lose that trade. Okay, now I have time. What I'm looking for, it's the one up there, and make it a red one. So if we get up there, we see the stochastic is high, and it's a strong resistant line. Let's see. And good morning, Eternal. Nice to see you. I don't have fixed. I will add that now. Or should I just have it? I think now, as we're taking trades like this, I think I will take it without fixed actually. If I can get less than 1 minute, I think actually I take that. Now let's see. We are still interested to take a trade up in the red line. You see the stochastic is still good. We are basically looking for us to be above this area here. Now we start to enter it, so now the lucrative trade up here is starting to be less. But let's wait and see. Let's see. Okay. Still, I think you see that when he go up, he still go above it. So let's see. I still would be interested up there. Interested, I mean. Let's see. But yes, I think this is something that might help us take better trades. Let's take a look at that now. Yeah. Will never be perfect, but at least a little better. We just need our 7 wins out of 10 trades and we are happy. Let's see. Now, I think we continue. This won't start to go too far down into the stochastic, so we are not so. Only shows now that he might be ready to break up here now. And that's not something very interesting to look at. Like we see here now, we see this support here was strong. We see that here. For that, we need to take an entry down in this region, right? So let's see. It's still good. Let's change it for 30. I'm looking for trade in the bottom area here. Okay. So this is the area you want to enter, just so you know. So let's wait and see if we can get down there again. What? I did not push. I did not push the button. I'm with a keyboard here now. Let it push by itself. That was annoying. Maybe I'll lose $100 because of a mistake here now. You have this thing that you move the mouse, you know, and you che droga. And when I take a trade there now, of course we are breaking down like crazy, but we should get a new one there, so I take one there. Now let's see, maybe go to hell, but let's see. Going to hell. Want to learn how to lose money? Then this is for you. Oh. Now this week have been fun. Oh, I don't give up. It is. I'm a little got a little scared of this mouse now, so I did this mistake. This line, let's get rid of that one. Not quite terrible this week. Of course, the last 2 days we have turned small profit, but Monday was terrible, so got very much harder to trade. Now let's see here. I might be interested around in this region here. Let's see. Now something looks good. I see he breaks more down, so I'm keeping my finger away from the trigger. Trying to see where the bottom can be. It's right there. Now when I push, now it chooses not to. Fun. There. Now let's see. And then, now let's see how this will play out. If you lose this now, it's not a bit terrible, but let's see. We do, looks good on all charts here now. I really need this win. For now, look good. 5, 4, come. Don't lose in the last second. Oof, 156. I feel I'm working very hard lately to do these things. 156. We are now 188 in minus. Still struggling here now, but let's see. I see we're going more and more down, so but we are very low in stochastic, so this might be the end in this area there. Let's see. If you get down there again, I think I'll take it. Let's see. What I'm looking at is, you can see in this area here, you had some type of support here, here. So if you come down there again, I might be interested to take a trade. Trying to be very careful also with this keyboard, because I have a keyboard mouse thing, because my mouse was not working this morning. It's very sensible. 2-2. Oh, then they're doing better than me. Eternal is going shit here. If I can win one more, then I should be in 0 at least. Now looks like this was the bottom. Yeah. Let's move on. Okay. This area here starts to look good. Let's see. If you get down there again, I will take it. Let's see. I'm looking for trade around this area down here. Let's see. No. Looks like the move is done. Let's go to dollar against Japanese yen. Now, for example, I will not be interested here, but probably down here. Let's wait and see. Looks like he's stopping in this resistance that was support here. That would be nice, because I would really like to take a trade down on the green line down there. Let's remove these ugly stats here. Let's see. Yes, I'm ready. I will take a trade on this green line if you get down there. The stochastic and everything looks good for that. If you get down there, that is. I will take it there. Now let's see how this will play out. We got a very good entry on the line, I think. If we win this trade now, we are in 0 for the day. That is good. 5, 4, 3, 2, and yes, we got it. Cool. I will take one more down there. Let's see. That with 100 now. Did you take the trade, Eternal? Now let's see. Let's put in that into the calculation here. We are basically in 0 now for the day. Now, if we take one more now, we will turn profit. That would be nice. And I'm ready to go in. If we can get down to the same level again. Oh, he broke too fast. I'm staying away. I'm staying away. this, when you see something like this, then, but now I'm scared to move my mouse here. Ah, he take a trade. What? I knew it. I knew it. The problem is when you are in this, have the mouse over with this keyboard, if I just touch wrong, he take a trade. Now I hope I'm lucky I win it, but because this was a trade I was not supposed to take. This keyboard is terrible. It takes trade by itself. And it's super annoying. I was not supposed to take this trade. If I win, I take it a stroke of luck that I need today, but if I lose, I'll be annoyed. But I think I will lose it. Let's see if we can have some luck today. I was not supposed to take this trade, but 4, 3, I take it. I won it, but so that was a lucky trade. Okay, plus 88, but it's annoying. I need to be careful. Plus 88. Then I'm in profit at least, but this is scary. But yeah, this is something that I need to fix. I need a normal mouse because I have this pad thing, you know, more like you have on portable computers. For the ones that are wondering, I'm using this type of keyboard, and you can see this thing here. This thing make it very difficult to trade because when I'm holding my mouse over here, you just need a little pin of a thing and then you take a trade. So for example, if I take my finger down and move over something and I take my fingers away, when I then put my finger down to move again, he can take it as a click. So that's what happened here now. Yes, I won the trade, but another trade that was taken before was taken that way and I lost it because of that. So even though I've won this trade now, we can call it luck, but another trade was also taken that way that I lost. So all over with luck and loss because of this keyboard, I'm in minus in that way. So I need a regular mouse. I did buy one here. Let me show. Where is this shit mouse? Here. I bought this one, but for some reason this one don't come with this typical thing you put in the USB. It's automatically, and for some reason my computer don't want to connect to it more. So very annoying. So this keyboard here is not that good to be trading on. But okay, at least we are in profit for the day. I take that. But yes, it is a little difficult. Okay, I do start to like this region here. But that means also he's breaking up now, so maybe it's not more. Let's see what will happen with this bar first. And sad you detect this trade. For me, he did. I was not supposed to take it. He moved too fast. Way too fast. But of course, so this keyboard detect the trade, but in that way I got lucky this time, at least. Now I'm a little conflicted. I think I'll take it, but I don't dare to put my mouse over there again. I need to figure out a way I can do this safely. So I don't want to take trades. Yeah, let me see now how I can do this. Problem is, I think if as long as I keep my finger down, I think I don't take a trade. I think it works like that. So I'll need to figure this out. Because I have my mouse over the up button, and I'm scared when I put my finger down if he will take a trade. But maybe he only do if I lift my finger. I hope it's like that. But yes, it's a little scary, this keyboard for trades. Now I'm looking for a buy trade. Not anymore because the stochastic did know I need to try to see if I can move away without taking a trade. Yeah, okay. So I think as long as I don't lift my finger when I bow the up button, looks like I will be okay. So maybe I can work with it. Let's check Ethereum Classic on the non-OTC. Okay, the trade was up here. Let's go to Ethereum, Euro against New Zealand. Like before, I would have traded here, you know, but now we could see on the stochastic that was silly. You see, it was in the middle up here, so it was basically written in stone that he will break it. So you see, the stochastic can actually help us take better trades. Because yes, I need to admit, I would probably have traded this zone down here, but now we see that that was not a good trade. So even though maybe it would have won, let's see, I would have taken the trade there if it was not for the stochastic now. Let's see. So you see that stochastic can help us a little. We can see that. Now I think we have just 15 or so minutes left of the live session. So if you're lucky, we probably get in a couple more trades. Let's check GBP Australian dollar. I do like the region up there. Let's see if we get up there again. I'll take it. I'm looking for the upper area of the spike. If we can get up there again. Let's see. We need to get in the top area for me to take a trade. Okay, around there where you see 1,911,500 in the top, around that region, I will want to take a trade. Come on now. Yes, a little more. We need a little better entry than this for me to take it. I'm ready to go in, but we need all the way up. Otherwise, I don't think I'll take it. No. Looks like we lost this opportunity also. Let's see. Okay. No. Now I need to see if I can move away. Yes, works like this. Okay, now I have a control about this keyboard. As long as I keep my finger down, he don't take a trade. So now I know that at least. So I will not do that mistake more times. At least we are in profit for a day. That is at least good. I would love to get 2 more trades for Eternal, because he need 2 winners to turn profit. So let's see if we can get in that. Let's remove some of these lines. I do not put so many live lines in this session just because this keyboard is a little slow. If I set up these lines, I know that I will not have time to take the trades myself. So I rather explain, and in that way you are much better off if you are in Discord, because then it will be more possible. Now we see the stochastic start to go down. That means this region down here might be interested, but I need to wait a little longer. We are still not there, so I will not take it now. He can continue downwards, and you see he did so. And that was again thanks to the stochastic. I follow both lines. I want both lines to be below here. You see this one is still above. So that means he still have a way to push more down. We see, if I zoom out a little, we see that this region down here, it's where would be the nice area to take a trade. So down in this region. So if you can get down there, that might be the area we would like to take a trade. Let's wait and see. If you can get down there again. Also, we see that this was resistant in that area. Hopefully, I would really like around this area. That's where I would like to have a trade. That fits also with the stochastic. Let's see. How are we in time? We have now been trading for 46, so we still have a good time left to take a couple of trades. So if you can get 2 winners for Eternal, that would be nice. I would love that, so we can all turn profit today. Now this area start to look good. Let me move the mouse over here and take a trade. But we need more down. I'm not happy where we are right now. We need more. I need to the bottom on this last bar. I can show. I want it to be go down to this region here. If you can get down there again, I will take it. If not, we skip. Stochastic and is still low, both bars. So, but we need down to the last low. Let's see. Don't looks like it. By the way, something. I know that my robots are a little difficult to use. Okay, but I'm thinking about bringing back one of my robots just for a fun extra videos I will do on a small account, like $1,000 account. That is more for me, and try to build up from that. Is that something that will be interesting to see? I think will be this the robot I'm thinking to bring back and try to use. I have not used that robot for maybe 1 year myself. It's Alpha 1i bot, just as something fun to see, to run again, because I did very successfully with this robot. I only stopped because it was difficult for people to copy what I did. But what I will do, I will say clearly in every video, of course, that it's not so easy. So I'm thinking, is that something that would be cool to see? If so, let me know. Eternal, is that something that you think would be interesting? As you are the only one available now in the chat, let me know. Because if no one have interest, then I might not do it. Also, I'm going to work a little on this robot first. This robot was only trading cryptocurrencies. I think I wanted to take on normal currencies instead. That might be much cooler. So just let me know. If so, I will work a little on the robot, change it a little bit, try to make it a little better than it was. That is the plan at least. So I will take my time, work on it, because this one will trade on indicators, and indicators, I'm a little against indicators. You see I'm using it here now, but that is more to choose which support and resistance, so we are still not trading off the indicators, but we use them to see. For example, here now we can see this was a support, but we see from the indicator that it's not strong. So we would, if it was done here on this support here, we would have taken it. So using the indicator more to see where the market is heading. But yes, I will see what I can do. My plan is to make this robot trade more or less like what I'm trading today. It will be difficult to clone it completely, but yeah, I am planning to bring it back, but I need to put in some information so people don't have too much hopes that, because it will not be a robot you can just turn on and forget about. You need to run it once in a while, and that's something that I will teach in that videos, of course. So, but it will be for specific people that have a high interest. So, and that robot will trade here on IQ Sense, but you can basically, he will trade automatically for you. So, yeah. Yeah, then I will look into that. It will take me some while to, because I need to update the robot. I have not used it for, I think, almost a year. So I will need to update a little. I will need to change it a little bit, working more after the way we're trading today. And if I'm satisfied, I might start using that robot as fast as I get it up and ready, of course. So let's see. Now let's move on. Like we can see here now. Right now you can see that we are lower. That means he might break this resistance we had here. Do you see? So the stochastic tells us that much. That now he's cooling down. That means you get more and more you come down here, you get more buy power, and that might be what he will make so he can break this resistance up here. So that's one thing that can help us with the stochastic. So we know that this region here now looks worse and worse and worse as a resistance, just because we are getting more buy power down here now. So yeah, I think stochastic is something that can help us a little to make better trades with our current strategy. Let's move on. Okay, here the computer have forgot some bars. If you reload, you will have them. But no worries, I'm not going to trade this by the way now. Let's take a look here. Like here also, we see that this was resistance, but we see here cooled it down a little. So that means now the one up here is not that strong as it was on this one, for example. Let me see how much time we have left. We have 6 minutes left. So we need both this up above before I'm interested in take a trade up there. Let's wait a little more. I am not taking a trade up here now because for me it looks like he might still go more up, as you see he do. We need, if we can get both bars above, then I might be interested. Let's see. We're still in the sideline because this show me that he might go more up. And you see, he do. And if the bar close up here, the next area should be up around this area. Let's see. So yes, looks like the up area here. I might be interested. Let's see. I'm waiting. Just so you know, I'm looking for a trade up in this region. Let's see. I want a little better entry in that. I'm looking to left so I can get the best entry possible up there. Let's see. But we need all the way up to the left bar, so we look to the left. If you can get the green line, you see the follow the price. If you can get that one up to the bars, you just look into the left. That's where I would like to take a trade. For now, we are not high enough. We need a little higher. Let's see. We need a better price than this. For now, he's not doing it. We need much better price. Now I have time to make a line, I think. What I'm looking for, it's up in that region. Okay, if you can get up to this blue line, that's where I would like to take a trade. Almost. Let's see. If you can get up there, we are happy. Happy campers. Little more. Let's see. I love the stochastic where we are, but we need a little better entry than this. I'm thinking now to move my line down to there. Let's see now. If you want to go up there again, that is. Ooh. Little bad entry. Let's see how this will play out. Now we need to wait our 43 seconds. We need him to start to think about going down. Okay, now we are in the region I was original wanted to take a trade. Take one more, now let's see how this will play out. If it will be nice, we win both. If it will be bad, we lose both. Let's see. And looks like he is going to be bad with us here now. Lost the first, of course we did. Of course we did. And this will be the last trade of the day. He's really pushing up. Really, it's not even a doubt. So then we ended up with a losing day. Is that really possible? $124. Okay. I will see if you have one trade we can take fast, because then I go in zero. Let's see if I get a win. Let's do a $200 trade. There. Now let's see, this will be the last trade. If we win, we turn profit. If we lose, we have lost. That's it. Come on now, give me a win. Now we need to wait 22 seconds. I don't have my hopes too high, to be quite frankly. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and come on. That was sweet. Now let me see how that played out. 176, nothing crazy, but at least I turned $52 profit with the 38, almost 100. So yeah, and Eternal, I see that then you lost money today. It is really difficult to trade lately. Now it's 3 days in a row I turned profit, but I really need to work super hard for it. So this week have been incredible difficult. I really hope we can end on a super good note tomorrow, because all over in the month, I think not this week, I think it still is around $450 in minus. So that would be the first week I actually turned loss, and that is not something I want. So tomorrow I will really go hard in, so I can see if we can turn more than 500 in profit tomorrow. But yes, it is have been a little harder to trade, I see that. But by the way, thank you all for being a part of this. Thank you a lot, Eternal, to keep me company in this live session. I will trade again live tomorrow. If you want to join me by trading, you can join with the broker that I'm using. You find it pinned in the chat, or you will find it below the video later on. Other than that, what else can I say? I have not had so much time to be trading 2 times a day lately. This might change later on, but let's see. So that, have an amazing day, and enjoy your day, and yeah, that's it. Ciao, ciao.